In the silence, we sit under cloudy skies, waiting for the storm where love gently ties. Each moment together, the world fades away. Hold me close, my darling, let the raindrops play. Just a whisper in the air, I can feel you near. As the thunder rolls in, all my doubt disappears. Wait for the rain, let it fall on our hearts. In its rhythm and flow, love song never part. We'll embrace all the changes, let the water flow. In the sweet serenade of love, we'll let it show. With every drop falling, our hearts